X for children. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling down the street. C is for cat with a soft loud purr. D is for dog with a wagging fur. A to Z, come sing with me. Learning letters is so much glee. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. A to Z, let's repeat. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for frog, jumping near a wall. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for hat, the best you've seen. A to Z, come sing with me. Learning letters is so much glee. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. A to Z, let's repeat. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, get up on your feet. K is for kite, flying in the air. L is for lion with a mighty glare. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest, where birds love to be. O is for octopus with 8 arms wide. P is for parrot, colorful with pride. A to Z, come sing with me. Learning letters is so much glee. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. A to Z, let's repeat. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging out of sight. U is for umbrella for a rainy day. V is for violin, let's hear it play. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, making music too. Y is for yellow, a color so fun.